Hi, this is Southern Tennessee Mom. Back again, I want to show you how to clean your microwave. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and it's really easy and simple and cheap. You got your microwave here, and you know how it gets crusty and stuff. Spills on it and can't get it off. It's crusty in there and it won't scrape off or anything. I mean, that's a pain in the butt. Take regular lemon juice that you can find at any supermarket or grocery store. Get a microwave safe bowl, fill it up. I just filled mine almost to the top. Put it in the microwave. Put it on high. I usually do 5 minutes and I'll see if it's soft, and then if not, I'll do another 5. Alright, we're going to pause the video until this gets done. I'll show you how easy it is to wipe out. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. I just have a bowl here of warm water and a sponge. It's got from the Dollar Tree. You can see it's used that much lemon juice. We'll try it and see if it is ready.
I can't see.
Just wiping out really easy. Take the plate out. It's a little caked on, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back in there for another 5 minutes. But you can see it wiped all that off. So we'll put the lemon juice back in there for another 5 minutes. And we'll come back when that's done and it'll be ready to wipe totally out. Alright, the microwave has ended at 5 minutes. This is now 10 minutes, and you can see the lemon juice that's went way down. I'm gonna take the glass plate out. And you can see, I'm just using a sponge. Let's wipe down the door right now. Sewing my bracelet. See it inside of the microwave. Alright, now let's get the sides. Wow. Okay. Alright, now look inside. It's clean. That's just 10 minutes of lemon juice on high in the microwave. And you can see it's clean. Thank you. If you like the video, like it and subscribe. And it'll notify you when I post another video. Thank you. I'm putting the glass back in now. Sorry. And with this being all natural, lemon juice, you know, is very natural. You can now put anything in there and heat it up and not worry about it having a chemical reaction to your food. And that's how you clean a microwave. Thank you.